this is a short video just to show you how to create and share events in your Google Calendar. So if you recall, the easiest way to get into your Google Calendar is from your Gmail interface, click on the air brick, go to Calendar, and it'll open up a new tab with your Google Calendar. So you'll recall from last time that we added a few of the group calendars to this to the test user profile. One of those is the BSB events calendar, and I'm just going to show you how to add an event, for example, to that calendar. Your calendar might be a project calendar, for example, the MLO, you're a member of the MLO committee and you want to insert something about an event or a marketing milestone or a rehearsal that you're having. So to do that, the easiest way to create an event is just to click on the calendar, and you'll see it brings up a small little box, dialog box with information that you can put in about your event. The important thing to note is that it will default to your personal calendar. So to change it to the event calendar, I'm just going to go down and click that so that it is now operating in the BSB events calendar. The other thing I would say though is it might be fine to just put in that information if you're just putting in milestones or things like that. So let's say marketing drop for this event. Just click create event and there it's done. You're more likely though to want to create an event with a bit more information in it. So to do that, you can click and then just click edit event. So let's make this a more sophisticated one. Let's put in a committee meeting. It's in the wrong calendar for BSB events, but I'm just going to show you how to make the meeting. So committee meeting, excuse me, you've got your date and your start times. You can make it an all-day event, and you can also set it as a repeating or recurring event. You just click that and then it'll come up with a dialog box for you to put the information about the recurrences. The most important features of this are that you put a location and description and choose the calendar. Again, it's really important that you choose the right calendar to put it in. But there's two other parts of Google Calendar that are really great. The first one is that you can just add people in Bottled Snail directly through the event. So I'm going to add my personal user profile. And sorry that dialog box has come up there, but you'll see that I've just added Bruce Hardy, and it's bruce.hardy@bottledsnail.com. And I'm now part of the meeting. When I close this event or save it, it will send me an email prompting me to put that into my calendar. The other really important feature about the Google Calendar is that it automatically develops and sets in place a Google Hangout for your meeting. So whenever you put an appointment in the calendar, it automatically creates a link to a Google Hangout so that you can go directly to that online meeting if that's what you want to do. So let's make this an online meeting. Community meeting, we're going to start at that time. I can also attach things from Drive, so let's just attach a random document. Let's attach the welcome pack. Notifications, I'm going to say that I want to send an email 10 minutes before it happens, and I'm pretty happy with everything else. Save. Would you like to send invitations to guests? Yes, send. So the important thing is now, importantly, this is a great example, is that you'll see here that the committee meeting has been created not in the purple BSB events calendar, but in my personal calendar. So to edit that, I'm just going to go jump straight into the edit event and make sure I change that to BSB events. Save.